And when you use AI, who's actually calling the shots? Is it the bot or the boss, as it were?
Certainly the way we're implementing it, that the human's still maintaining 100% control of that, I guess, relationship, but certainly over the strategy and the final award of the business. We're seeking to use AI as an operator in the process, so to making faster data driven decisions, but always backed by a human. There's touched in the Pathfinder report about how more roles need to be done in harmony with AI, but making sure there's always an expert there able to give their resources toward it, not relying on the system itself. So we've continued to bring in experts at various steps of the process, vetting the things that the AI does rather than letting it loose. And it will be down to companies to bake that into their process, right? That's why we're talking about tools, and we've got various topics on that later. But it'd be down to companies saying, okay, we're bringing in an AI solution that looks like this, rather than kind of letting it go off on its own and letting individuals do their own thing, whereby, yeah, you could find that it's doing different things in different places.